Hi guys, welcome to our series all about Wix carts, orders, and checkouts. Today we're going to learn how to refund unfulfilled orders on your Wix site. But before that, here's an important heads up from Wix. Payments made using the manual payment method and with certain payment providers need to be provided outside of Wix. Also, before you can refund a PayPal order, you need to enable advanced feature. We will leave a link to Wix's Help Center for more information about that you can check. And with that out of the way, let's get started. On your site's dashboard, go to Sales and go to Orders. Look for the unfulfilled order that you want to refund and click on it. On this page, go to More Actions here at the top and then select Refund. Here, select the items of the order that you'd like to refund by ticking the check boxes. If a certain item is more than one, you can indicate the amount or the number of items you can refund here. Once you're done with that, move on to additional info. So select the reason for refunding the customer. And if you'd like to send a confirmation email to your customer so they can know that their order's been refunded, you can tick this checkbox and you can also add a note to the email on this field. Once you're done, review everything to ensure that there will be no mistakes when refunding. And once everything's all good, then you can go ahead and click on Refund over here at the top. A pop-up warning will appear. Once marked as refunded, this can't be undone. Make sure to complete the refund through the payment provider or directly with the customer. So click on Marked as Refunded if you're sure. Your order will successfully be tagged as refunded. And if you would also like to cancel this order, you can go to More Actions, click Cancel this order, tick the Update Inventory option, and you can also send a confirmation email to your customer. Then click on Continue, and then click on Cancel this order. Your order should successfully be canceled and marked as refunded. And that's it. We hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and consider subscribing for more Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.